Aldi's, as you guys can see. So basically today I want to see like what are some new things that I could find at Aldi's, because Aldi's have like a lot of new different items, and I'm also want to do like tacos tonight. So yeah, so I'm gonna take you guys around the store with me and we're gonna see what we could find. All right guys, let's go. All right, let's see what they have here. Let's see. Let me get some bananas. Bananas. Let's see what we have. Get some oranges. I have pineapples. Yeah, guacamole. This is like my favorite guacamole right here. So we're gonna get spinach for the tacos as well. Instead of lettuce, get a bag of spinach. Only $1.59. We get 2 boxes. Need to get some sauce, which is this sauce right here. Okay, let's see what's new at Aldi's. Oh, these are new. Some black soybean spaghetti. Looks cool. We have these as well. Haven't seen these. These look good too. Ooh, these look different as well. Ranch and bacon pasta. I think this is something new. I haven't seen this. This looks good. It's like a black bean salad. $2.49. Okay, let's see what else they have. They have like this beef, little dish thing, pork. I don't really eat beef or pork, so. Ooh, these look good. Pulled chicken. Get some chicken for the tacos. This looks good. Let's see. Cheese for the tacos. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys my favorite ice cream, if they have it. This is my favorite. So good. Okay, they have like these spicy barbecue oven chips, like French fries. This look good. And it's $3.99. Okay, I'm gonna try this. This looks good. I'm gonna have these hot chicken breast fries. Never had them, but it's different. Oh, they have crab cakes. Crab cakes. How much? Crab cakes are $3.99. Alright, I'm gonna try these crab cakes too. Alright, so we're like in the taco section still, and they have like these white bean chips and some black ones too, and they're $2.49. Not bad. Alright guys, I'm getting ready to leave Aldi. This is what I have. Basically stuff to make a taco salad. And I also got some corn as well. So those are some of the new things that I've noticed at Aldi's. Yeah. All right. I'll check back with you guys. Let you guys know how much everything came out to be. Okay, guys. So this is what I got from Aldi's. So this is my receipt right here. Try to focus the camera here. Put it on. The taco shells for 99 cents. I got some Lunchables for $2.35. Fruit bars, which is the ice cream, was $2.39. And what are these? Oh, that's the chickens. Yeah, $5.65. And then we have the cheese, $2.99. This right here was, let's see. Okay, the crab cakes was $3.99. That was $3.99 as well. Oh, that's the sauce, $2.09. The corn was $2.99. The spinach was $1.59. Guacamole was $2.99. The tomatoes was 99 cents. The peppers was 79 cents. The apples, $3.49. Oranges is $3.89, and the bananas is $1.25. And my total was $46.35. And this is everything that I got. So we have the spinach, the vegetables on this side, guacamole, bananas, fruits, the ice cream, and these are the two new items that I'm going to try out. The crab cakes, and this looks real good. And I have some corn, taco shells, chicken, the cheese, and just some Lunchables for 46 bucks. I don't think that's bad at all. Taco salad night is one of my favorite nights. I love tacos and I love making them myself. I feel like it just tastes a lot better than buying it from like Taco Bell or something like that. So anyways, here I have some pulled chicken. So good. I have the recipe on my channel already, so if you guys want to try out my recipe, definitely check out that video, and I can also put the link in the description box as well. I love having tacos with corn on the cob. Just makes everything so much more delish, and it makes sure that you're also full as well, because you know sometimes a few tacos does not fill you up. So yeah, this is like my favorite taco dish. I also have like a really good taco salad recipe as well. Basically all I do, I add the same ingredients, but I use those taco chips that you guys seen in the video. I like the blue chips. So yeah, I seen those black chips. Those black chips actually looks really good as well. So maybe I'll try that next time. So yeah, I just love taco night. All right guys, so we're gonna move along to this next dish. This was like a just me, myself, and I type of dish, and I, you know, had this with like watching something on Netflix or whatever. So anyways, I really enjoyed this. This was really good. Basically, what's in this is asparagus and also shrimp. I'm not sure what those small pieces are. I believe those are like quinoa, but it's so good, so healthy. Basically, I just put this in the microwave, followed the instructions, easy peasy. And then I had 2 crab cakes, and I basically put the crab cakes in the oven. I like my food nice and crunchy and more on the dark side. But yeah, it was really, really good. And as you guys can see, I just had like some coconut water with it. And yeah, I was just like enjoying my meal and just enjoying a nice Sunday. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So yeah, I am budgeting as always, and I love me some Aldi's. So anyways, ciao guys. See you next time. Peace and love. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe if you want to see videos like this of me. So yeah.